It was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 55 at Seattle and 54 at Portland. This is the National Weather Service in Pendleton, Oregon. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio public warning system for station WWF56 Richland, Washington. This warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties only. In South Central and Southeast Washington: Adams, Benton, Franklin, Grant, Klickitat, Walla Walla, and Yakima. This concludes the warning alarm test. We now return to regular weather programming. This is NOAA Weather in Pendleton, broadcasting from WWF56 in Richland.